Whether you have a professional or individual selling account, you're eligible to enroll in FBA. You can use FBA to store your products in Amazon's fulfillment centers and let us pick, pack, and ship your FBA orders. We'll also handle returns and provide customer service on your behalf for these orders. With FBA, your items become eligible for Prime shipping, meaning Amazon Prime customers can benefit from free 2-day shipping, and all Amazon customers can get free shipping on eligible orders. This is a great way to maximize exposure and sales in the Amazon store. Here's how FBA works. First, you'll register for FBA and decide which products you'd like to send to a fulfillment center. Note that many but not all products are eligible for FBA, even if you're approved to fulfill orders for these products yourself. Once you've determined which products you'd like to send to Amazon and checked that they're eligible, you'll create your first FBA shipment. This includes prepping, labeling, and packing your products, printing box labels, and if you're sending pallet shipments, confirming carrier and pallet information. Note that proper preparation, packaging, and labeling can help ensure your products get transported safely and securely to the fulfillment center. This will help Amazon make your items available to customers more quickly. When you're ready, send your shipment off to one or more of Amazon's fulfillment centers as needed. After a fulfillment center receives your products, customers can begin purchasing your FBA offers in the Amazon store. You'll pay fulfillment fees for each unit that's picked, packed, and shipped to customers from an Amazon fulfillment center. These costs vary depending on each item's size, weight, and category. You may also encounter additional fees for storing and managing your inventory. We'll pack and ship all FBA orders on your behalf and handle both customer service and returns for them. To put it simply, you sell and Amazon handles the rest. If a customer returns an item, they'll send it back to the fulfillment center that shipped their order, and it will be subject to the FBA customer returns policy. The fulfillment center will evaluate the items and return those still in sellable condition to your inventory. Some product categories may incur an FBA returns processing fee. We recommend using the revenue calculator to estimate these and other FBA costs. Ready to learn more about FBA? Registered sellers can review the FBA Product Eligibility Guide in Seller Central.